phase of the project in his parliamentary constituency of Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also thanked others involved in building the complex. He also thanked artisans, civil engineers, officials from the district administration, as well as families who had houses on the land on which the corridor was constructed.